That party's so cool. Yeah.
That party was so awesome.
Awesome.
Guys, what did you think about the
Back with the old crew. It's been so much. Gonna drink some of your Mojo Jojo? Take some of your Mojo Jojo?
You can have some, Nate.
Of what? Your small dick?
I think there might be a...
Wanna turn on some... musica?
My team.
You guys see any girls?
No, dude, I get this one's number. Dude, let me tell you guys the fucking number. And I'm turn this off.
Just leave it off. Don't hurt me.
Alright, who the fuck is she? Where the fuck
Can you
is
stop
she?
for a second? Turn off the car. Stop. Turn off the car. I gotta take a leak.
Oh, dude, her number's, September.
Dude, what is he doing?
Sorry.
Ten four.
Negative K, nothing further, just see the cabbie in the corner.
Alright.
Alright,
Oh, fuck, there's Gary here on his fucking skateboard.
What?
Get him, scoot over here. After,
Fucking fighting! Oh! Fucking fighting! What? Yo, what?
fuck up.
Whoa! Yo, G!
Yeah.
You slapped you across the face. No.
Get him fucking down, get him down.
No. What? You want me to get? Oh! God, else.
Huh?
What?
Huh?
I did shit.
You fucking still on your fucking board, huh? You still on your fucking board?
Come on, fight. Old man.
Have mercy, Father, help us all. Since you supplied your phone number, I can't help but call. Time for action, conversating, we relaxing, kicking back. Got you curious for love, passion. Now picture that, tongue kissing, hand full of hair. Look in my eyes, time to make the bed rock. Baby, look how it rise. Me and you moving in the